Mhm.
how to remember the new words in English.
Okay. So for this, what I used to do is like whenever I used to read books or if I came across any new word, so like just underline that word, like very simple thing. Okay, you don't need to do any extraordinary things. Like just underline that word or try to find out the meaning of that word if you don't know. And once you get the meaning, or try to note it down somewhere in one book. And whenever like you're talking with someone the other day, or then try to use that word. See, when you use that word, then you will you will able to use it, and like once you won't remember that word. After few days, again when you'll go through that notes or whichever word you have underlined, then maybe after few days you'll able to use it in your sentence, or when you are having conversation with people.
Oh,
So whichever new word you try to see, I understand that whenever you're reading something, you might come across like many new words, but don't try to
many.
remember each and yeah. So don't try to remember each and every word. One day at a time, one word at a time. Okay, just pick one word, try to know the meaning of that, how to use it in a sentence, and then use it while conversing with people, like when you're having a conversation with someone. And then
Thank
yeah, like after 2 3 times when you'll use it, then it will be like normal word for you. Then you will have it in your daily conversation as well.
Yeah, it
So don't
becomes
pick all the
habit.
words, like one word at a time. Yeah, see, this is a very simple thing. Even if you learn one word for one day, there will be so many words. Like in a month you can learn 30 words.
Yeah, that's true. That's
So
true.
that's how it is. Yeah, okay. Any other question?
No, ma'am, I don't have right now.
Okay, fine, no worries. So can we like start with the topic?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
sure, sure.
Indrajit, so tell me, like, do you follow any celebrity on social media, like any, or do you stay away from them? How it is?
Uh, I don't follow the celebrity blindly, but I like the way they speak,
Mm-hmm.
even the attitude, the body language they show.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of things, and also when I watch the interviews of the renowned celebrities, their
Mm-hmm.
struggles behind the successful journey. So that inspires me a lot.
Okay, yeah, I agree with you. Like, we should not follow celebrities blindly.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. So any favorite celebrity like you have?
Any favorite celebrity? Like I like really MS Dhoni. I
Mm-hmm.
like the most,
Okay.
and I especially like the sports person.
Okay. Okay.
And I try
Mm-hmm.
to follow. I not try to follow. I try to follow the way he speaks, he thinks. I just
Mm-hmm.
want to know deeply, and I. It is a like it is a childhood dream. I think that for
Mm-hmm.
everyone, that everyone wants to be a celebrity or a great
Mm-hmm.
sportsman. So
Right.
I I'm not that exceptional, but I like.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, but don't you think like sometimes celebrities like most of the time celebrities influence our life. So what's your opinion on this?
Definitely, definitely, they have that power. They have earned. I think that they have earned the belief, the
Mm-hmm.
trust
Mm-hmm.
to their career, to their hard work. So
Okay.
I think that they can influence all the people in a great way.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes directly or indirectly, we are influenced by them. Suppose uh, ad- I see an advertisement on TV. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
it's played by my favorite player. So
Right.
directly or indirectly, I may be influenced. But
Mm-hmm.
after buying that product or after experiencing that product,
We have seen like they came out and they shared their story about depression. So what are your thoughts on this? I guess the notable
yeah,
example is Deepika Padukone. Like she shared her story, like how she faced depression. Yeah, please tell me.
mm, I think that yeah, after all, they are human beings. They
Mm-hmm.
may be celebrity, but they are not robots. So I think that they whatever we feel in our
Mm-hmm.
happy life, in our happy
Mm-hmm.
hours, in our happy hours, so they feel the same. So
Mm-hmm.
some people have like some people are open minded, so they always want to share their thoughts, their expressions, even whatever they think. So they try to share with the thoughts with the audience or with the people.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that is nowadays depression is very common. So it becomes really in a large scale, and
Mm-hmm.
also after even it is also influenced by them by the renowned people like,
Mm-hmm.
and also it is very good to share, because if you
Right.
share your thoughts, your depression, then other people can really help you a lot.
Right.
Even they can know about you,
Mm-hmm.
they can guide you in a direct in a good way, so that you can recover these kind of things as soon as possible. So I think that it's kind of like a sharing is caring.
Right, exactly. And this also says that money is not the even though they earn that fame and money is there, but
Hmm.
still that happy life is important. And even
Absolutely.
even after like lot of money, still that unhappiness is there. So it's not
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, maybe
Okay. Mm-hmm.
you need money, you need at least sufficient money to lead your life
Right.
beautifully. Apart
Mm-hmm.
from that, yeah, depression is a part of life. So, and after happy hours, unhappy hours is knocking, always knocking at the door. So it
Mm-hmm.
is like it is a part of life.
Right. I really like the words you are using, knocking the door. It's just really nice. Great.
Yeah, I just I
Okay.
learned uh, that idiom, so
Great,
that's why
great.
I use.
Nice. Okay. So, Indrajit, what do you think? Like, what according to you are the qualities that what a celebrity should possess?
Uh, on behalf of the normal people, I can say that uh, they should share their whatever actually they should not share the arrogance, or
Mm-hmm.
sometimes they are really fed up of the PR team and also like
Okay.
that. So they have their own life. So it is very difficult to, like, if I say a celebrity in the market or in the mall, super mall, I rush to him or her to take a selfie. It is a very common. It's a very common nature of common people. So yeah, you the I can say that the celebrity should not mm, show their arrogance to the audience. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Simultaneously, we should not rush to them, because they have their personal life. Someone I see even while scrolling down on Instagram, that many people, many celebrity from going after, like, after finishing gym, they just coming back to home. So there are a lot of paparazzi. PR team are there to take photos and all. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it is very disturbing for them also, because they have their own life. But as I said that if I see any celebrity in the market or in the super market, so I will rush. It is a basic nature, but I have to. We have to restrict ourselves, that uh, we cannot harass her or him. Even accordingly, uh, show their they should the respect show the respect to the audience, the local people. Sometimes they are very arrogant, I see. That's why we have to be mutual.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah, very well said, Indrajit. Yeah, like we out of eagerness, we try to rush out to them or try to meet them.
Exactly.
But yeah, we should understand that they also have their personal life apart from the professional one. Exactly.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are at the end of our session, Indrajit.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you have any questions?
No, ma'am. It's a great that you. I. It is a great session with you. So though it was little. like connection problem
Right.
there, but it is okay. I hope that we will meet many times after that.
Okay. Yeah. So first of all, I'd like to like apologize for the network issues and all we
Okay,
faced. Really
okay.
sorry for
Maybe
that.
yeah, it's okay. It's a common
Yeah.
thing online.
Hmm. Okay. So would you like to have a feedback?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so I must say that your like your confidence is on point, Indrajit. You're comfortable speaking the words you used. Like I noticed the words you used like blindly, renowned. So very well said, and
Thank
you
you.
spoke very well. I hope like upcoming sessions you'll able to improve it. Yeah. Thank you for the session and thank you.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.